Hey babes, Kumusta? Just to let you know, I am so drunk right now and I'll be teaching you guys, you guys how to remove makeup. It's quite the opposite of what I'm used to, so keep on watching. So, first of all, when you leave the club, you have to find a way to drink water. Water is the best friend you'll ever have after going to a club. This prevents you from hangover. Just me. I know this one. The next thing that you have to do is remove anything you have. Any necklace, your clothes. Just get comfortable. If you cannot remove your necklace, ask someone to help you. I'll be back. Dang it. Or if your friend is also drunk, don't expect them to remove it because your favorite necklace will be destroyed. Next thing you know is you have to remove your stuff. So you're all good. First things first, you have to remove, if you're wearing falsies, you have to remove it, okay? Yeah, it hurts. So do you see that? Ow. Just ow. To remove my makeup, I first start off with Clinique. Take the day off. Cleansing bath. So it says here it's lightweight cleansing balm. Quickly dissolves tenacious face and eye makeup, including those with sunscreen. Transform from a solid balm to a silky fluid oil upon application. Cleanse thoroughly, non-greasy, non-drying for all skin types. Use fingertips to massage balm over dry skin and rinse well. So, let's do this. Like so, that side, let's do this. You can actually use warm cloth for this, but I use waterproof. This one, that's really nice as well. If it's empty, use one of the door. Is it just me, or like I just love removing my makeup? It just gives me so much satisfaction, like. And we are going to use the Clinique liquid facial soap. It's mild and it's for dry combination. So it says here, gentle, effective cleansing developed by Clinique's dermatologist for the needs of skin dry in the cheeks, comfortable to oily in the T-zone, leaves skin feeling fresh, clean, comfortable, non-drying, and used twice daily. It's also good for after makeup to cleanse all your nasty shit that you did last night, a while ago, because I know what you did. Someone's watching you, a friend, someone saw you. You all know what you did, girl. I'm coming for you. It looks like that. Look at that. I'll be back in a bit. So I'm back, bitch. Oof, that feels so good. I love that. It makes me feel so fresh. If water's not enough for you, you can always drink an innocent mango juice. I'll be putting down the link so you can have it. This one is it's the best. This is something that I've used for ages, and it's a Filipino product that says I don't know if you've seen the first video about in the Philippines. This product is just very special to me, and this is called the Eskinol. It's like quite alcoholic, so you don't have to put much in. Like so, like that. And we go downtown. See, did you see that? I don't know if you can, but it still has like things that I wasn't able to remove from a while ago, and this is really good. I have a pimple in the middle of my head. My head. Did you see that? Are you serious? On my fucking... See that? You see that, bro? The next step is this Clinique Smart Custom Repair Serum. Okay, it says here it's allergy tested, 100% fragrance free, and it says that out. It does not smell anything, so that's a good step. And it says our smart serum responds to the particular needs of your skin, targeting repair as needed, where needed. One formula masterminds visible repair of lines and wrinkles, dark spots, uneven tone, firms contours, imparts radiance. Use twice daily. Follow with sunscreen in the morning. Alright, so this is the Clinique Serum. You see that? But I'll be putting the products I've used down below. So like that. Just put your thing. You know how some products feel like there's a lot of things going on? And this one, like, it's not that thick, and it's also not that thin, if you know what I mean. It feels like it's just the right amount of product on your skin. And I'm sorry if you can hear someone. Damien! The last one is this Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. So here it's a 3-step skincare clinic, very dry to dry combination skin. Dermatologist developed, allergy tested, 100% fragrance free as well. And it says now combines all day hydration with skin strengthening ingredients. Spread over face or throat. It's 2 pumps. Let's see that. Oh wow. Oh. Every time I do this, it just makes me feel so good. So that was it for the process on how I remove my makeup. I tend to sleep with makeup before. When I get too drunk, I just sleep dead. Like dead. Like, I'm not even kidding, bro. Dead. One last thing. Don't forget to drink water, because we don't want no hangover the next day. Or if you want a little taste, don't drink fizzy drinks, but drink innocent juice. So, yeah. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and tell your friends, so I'll be doing more videos. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Oh, goodbye.